Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Smart 8, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and then swipe down once again. This will reveal all your toggles that you have access to. Now by default, it looks like we don't have our hotspot added, so we will need to do it ourselves by clicking right here on these three dots and selecting Edit Shortcuts and finding it somewhere below here. For me, it's right over here, Hotspot. Once you see it, simply press on the plus button. This will get added to your toggles, and now you can actually access it. Now from here, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, but what I recommend doing for the first time is actually holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize some of the things. So we're going to click right here, Hotspot Settings, and you most likely will want to navigate to password, which is randomly generated. So I do recommend removing it because it is quite bad, and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, doesn't really matter. And here we have also security. I recommend keeping it as it is, otherwise anyone can connect to your hotspot without a password. And name is by default always the name of the phone, but you can change it to be whatever you want if you actually wanted to change it. Anyway, click on the check mark to save the changes, and now find the toggle, simply press on it, and that's it. Your hotspot is now enabled and you can connect to it with some other devices. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is that hotspot that you enable will turn off your Wi-Fi because it is using the same antennas to broadcast this signal. Therefore, when using hotspot, you don't have Wi-Fi. And when you turn it off, it should, there we go, turn it back on. As you can see, it just happened. So do keep that in mind to remember to turn it off once you're done needing it. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.